Today we are going to speak about plane figures, and this is very easy task for you to identify plane figures and place a figure that matches the figure. So of course you see that the first figure is circle, and you choose the circle and put it next to the circle. And then you have triangle, and you find the matching figure triangle and you put triangle. And then the next figure is square, so you can easily find square and also put it next to square. And the last figure is rectangle, and we also can put rectangle next to rectangle. This is easy task, and I know that you are very good in it and you know these figures very well. But what I want to do now is to describe the figures. For example, let's start from triangle. If we look to triangle, take your triangle, touch it from all sides, and tell me, how many sides does triangle have? How many sides? So 1, 2, 3. So how many sides does triangle have? 3 sides. Then what else can we say about the figure? We can say how many corners does the figure have. So look, it has 1, 2, 3 corners. So let's speak about triangle again. How many sides does triangle have? Triangle has 3 sides. Even we can draw it in, if I put it where you will stick the figures to your books. So we can count the sides. This will be 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And also I can count the corners of triangles. So I will count 1 corner, 2, 3. So I have 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 corners. So what again we can say about triangle? The triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, let's take the next figure that we have here, and this is square. So let's speak about square. Take the square, touch it from all the sides, and count how many sides does the square have. The square has, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square has 4 sides. Let's see how many corners does the square have. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So now you can stick the square and write how many sides and corners does it have. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And here I will count again 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So what you can say about the square? How many sides does the square have? It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's see rectangle. The next figure we have is rectangle. Let's speak about rectangle. So how many sides does rectangle have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So rectangle has 4 sides. Are the sides of rectangle the same as for the square? No. Look, the square has the same size all sides, and rectangle has two the same long sides and two the same short sides. Okay, and let's see how many corners does the rectangle have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners as the square. So we can count them here also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have only one figure that we missed and we didn't say anything about it. And this is the circle. So if we describe the circle, does it have any corners? No. The circle doesn't have any corners. Does it have any sides? How do you think? Does the circle have any sides? Yes, it has one side. It has one side and it is round side, one side, and no corners. So this is the circle. It doesn't have any corners. So that's it for today. So finish this page, and next page will be your homework.